Okay guys, today we are gonna be making barbecue. Barbecue, nope, not the barbecue we would do on the grill. We are gonna be making barbecue chicken in the oven. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a quick and easy way to have some good barbecue chicken, and it's gonna be right in our oven. So yeah, stay tuned and get ready. Today, the ingredients you're gonna need, pretty much you know your seasoning, is your choice. I have here my salt, my pepper. I have some basil, onion powder, parsley, and of course your barbecue sauce, whatever choice barbecue sauce you want. Here, I was in Walmart and I happened to pick up the sweet brown sugar barbecue sauce. We're going to go ahead and use that today. And of course your chicken. For the chicken, I just grabbed some chicken drumsticks or legs or what you guys may call them. But this is what we're going to be using today. Okay, so yeah, sit back and let's get into the video. So you guys, I have already washed and cleaned my chicken off camera. And here I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 12 or 13 drumsticks here. Here you see the seasonings, the salt and pepper. So what we're going to do is go ahead and start seasoning up your chicken pieces. Okay. I'm going to go in with the pepper. I'm going to go in here with some onion powder. Okay. Here you have a little bit of basil. Go ahead and put some basil on there. Okay. And here I'm just going to put just a little tad bit of parsley on this chicken. Okay, now what you want to do is go ahead and start mixing your chicken to get the seasonings mixed up in here. So if you notice the seasonings are on one side, once you mix your chicken, you want to come back and just put a little bit more seasoning just to get the other side that did not get coated. Okay, so just go ahead and mix that seasoning. Get that chicken just mixed up in here. Okay. And whenever you're dealing with chicken, any kind of stuff like this, you want to make sure that you've cleaned it really good and your hands are really, really clean, okay? I'm going to wash my hands and then go ahead and start seasoning again. So, again, I wash my hands. I'm going to come back and I'm going to repeat the first step. Again, going in with the salt. Okay. Pepper. Basil. Your onion powder. And again, feel free to use whatever seasonings you want. But this is what I have now in the pantry. So this is what we're going to use. But if you would like to, throw in a little bit more, feel free to do that. If you want to throw an onion in there, feel free to do that as well. Okay. So again, we're going to get this mixed up again because we've already done the other side. So we're just going to mix this and yeah. Okay. Okay, so what you want to do now is go ahead and place I've already put just a little bit, not even a half a thing of water in my pan, just a little bit, just for your chicken can have something to sit in. Go ahead and start putting your chicken over into your baking dish, just like so. Okay, you guys can see that. Okay, just want to line them up, so the chicken can. Come back and place your other chicken the same way you did the first batch. trying to squeeze it in here because... Okay, let's see if we can throw this one at. There's like one left. I'm definitely not going to throw it away. So let's see if we can squeeze this bad baby like right up in here. I don't know. Okay. Okay, guys. So we've got the chicken in there. What you're going to do now is you're going to come back and what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put this mixing bowl over into the sink. I'm going to wash my hands. We're going to come back and we're going to put a little bit of butter on top of this chicken here, okay? So give me just a second, guys, and I'll be right back. You guys, I went ahead and grabbed some paprika out of the pantry. I'm going to lightly sprinkle this onto the chicken. Just a little bit, not too much, okay? Just a little. And then we're going to go ahead and get it over into our oven. So this is your chicken. And this very simple, something very simple. Because remember, guys, whatever I bring to you, I want to bring something very simple and quick so that we can be able to do it together for our family, for our kids, our husbands, our wives. Something simple. That's not going to take too long. Because with this, we're just going to throw this bad baby into the oven like a little over an hour and pull it out when it's done for the most part, and we're then at the end, very end, going to add our barbecue sauce. But for right now, I went ahead and added the piece of butter. I did about four little pieces in there, and I'm going to stick it in the oven. And I'm going to keep checking it throughout the video. But for right now, let's go ahead and get this bad baby over into our oven. Okay, I've already preheated the oven to 350, so that's ready for me just to go ahead and stick the chicken in there. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to do this while I have you guys on the video. Okay. Okay, so go ahead and slide this in your preheated oven. Oven preheated to 350. And we're going to let that cook for about 45 minutes. And I'm going to come back and we're going to check it, okay? What I've done here is I've taken the chicken out of the oven, I've flipped it over, and I am going to stick this back in the oven to let it finish getting cooked and brown. The juices on this chicken, guys, is like a chicken broth. For the barbecue chicken, you'll see when I take it out. You don't really need to let this this chicken broth, so you can always take and refrigerate this chicken broth and use it at a later time for something else, but I'm just gonna let the chicken continue to cook down. But again, the broth, I don't need it because again, I'm gonna be doing barbecue chicken. So I'm gonna stick this back in there. I'm gonna keep the broth on for right now and let it go ahead and continue to cook, okay? But what I did, I just took it and flipped it over, I'm sorry. So yeah. Okay, so if you can see, I've taken the chicken out of the oven. Now is the point where you want to go ahead and start adding your barbecue sauce on there. And again, whatever flavor of sauce you would like, you just go ahead and add that to your chicken. Okay. Start adding it on. I'm not going to put it on every single piece of this chicken because Trinity doesn't like barbecue, so we want to try to just limit some parts of the chicken with the barbecue sauce on there. So you just go ahead and start just pouring your sauce over onto your meat. Try to coat every single piece, and you could come back and just take something and rub that sauce in onto that chicken. Okay, after I get this sauce on the chicken, I'm going to put this back in the oven and let it bake for about 15 more minutes. And then I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to show you guys the final result. So I've got the sauce, spread it all over the chicken. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick this back into my oven. Okay, and again, you don't need to keep it in there that long this time. You are only wanting to bake these sauces onto the meat, okay? So we're going to stick it back in. I'm going to come back and show you guys the final result of your oven-baked chicken. Oven-baked barbecue chicken. Okay, you guys, so I finally finished. I've taken the chicken out of the oven, and there you have it again, barbecue chicken in the oven. I did not even have to use the grill today. I was not going to do that anyway because it's too hot outside here in Florida. These pieces here is for Trinity. Of course, she doesn't like the barbecue sauce. She told me, well, Mommy, it's still sitting in the barbecue sauce. Oh well, she's gonna eat it today, okay? I did not put that no barbecue sauce on that, so she should very much be grateful because there's no barbecue sauce. She's still able to eat it, but there is barbecue sauce on this. So again, guys, it's quick and simple. Go ahead and make some for your family, for your kids, for your husband, for your wife. They will love it. And again, you do not have to even get out in the hot sun on the grill. It's something you can throw in your oven and enjoy. So I'm going to pair this with some mac and cheese and maybe some deviled eggs or potato salad. But for right now, I will see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you've not done so already. Drop something in the comments. Let me know what you would like for me to make next. I know a couple of people asked for how to do the barbecue in the oven, and here it is. It's quick and simple. But again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later, okay?